Okay, so now that we did this generics configuration in the balances palette, we are going to do the same thing in the system palette. Remember, we don't want the types to be defined hard-coded inside the pallets. We want to be configurable from those who are using the palette. In this case, our runtime written here in the main file. So I'm gonna do exactly the same. Take all these variables, all these types, account ID, block number. In this case, there are 3 types that are part of the system, and I'm going to add them to the pallets definition. And of course, I need to include all the requirements for these types. In this case, account ID needs to have an OR and a clone, as it was here. The balances or the nouns, they need to have the 0 and the checked add. Let me see how it is. Okay, it's missing some stuff. Let's copy this. So block number is 0. It needs also the 1 because we are going to sum down here, you're gonna see. So let's import also the types over here. Let's import here. Okay, 0 and 1. Add a sign also. Okay, let's change line by line. Here, block number 0. Okay, what else is breaking? So add a sign. We need to implement add a sign. Okay, this is the type add a sign. So let's copy this and add it to the block number. Add a sign. Okay, let's import it. It's already here. Add a sign. Okay. And 1. So block number. One thing that is very useful here is my editor is giving me where the errors are and is giving me tips to fix it. So I just follow the rules here. In this case, I need this to be dereferenced because now it's a nouns, and I want it to be nouns 0. Okay. Nouns needs to implement the 0. I don't think it is right now. Yeah, I need nouns 0 and 1. I need both of them. Okay. What else? Here, nouns 1. Okay. And nouns, this is not returns nouns, and nouns 0. Okay, everything is working. I need to define the types here in my tests because, yeah, I need them to be explicitly defined here. So in this case, string u32, super. Okay, I believe that I need this here also. And down here as well. Okay, let's put it. And if I run all the tests, let's see how it's working. Oh, there's something missing in the system. What is missing? System palette. In the main file. Okay. Now I need, of course, I forgot this part. I need to take all these types from here, move them to my type system. I don't need account ID because actually we already had one here defined for the other palette, so we are going to reuse it. And then here we have the types. Okay, the AI just filled it for me. I believe, if I'm not wrong, let's see, everything is running. And if I do cargo run, yes, everything is working as well. So yeah, these are just warnings, but everything is working. So my code is completely working right now, and now I have these independent types that are defined here, configured here in the main runtime, and the system and the balances pallets, they are completely untyped. They are completely agnostic to types. The types are being defined here as we use them in tests. Of course, for testing we need to concretely define the types, or here in the runtime, but in the definition of the class over here, everything is abstract.